Need to deactivate Threads account? Then you're on the right video. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started. First thing first, move into Thread app. Make sure you are logged into your account you want to deactivate. Head over to your profile. Click on this 2 line at the top right corner. Head over to Account Center. Move into Manage Accounts at the bottom. Choose your account and click on Manage. Click on Deactivation or Deletion. Simply choose Deactivate Account and tap on Continue. Choose the reason why you want to deactivate and once again tap on Continue. You have to create a password before deactivating your account. So simply follow the on-screen process and create a password. After that, your account will be deactivated and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.